Super ganda. Yung may cupcake flavor. Hi guys! Good morning from Dubai. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nana and Pau Pau YouTube channel. Today's video, we are going to make pumpkin cupcake steam. Kalabasa cupcake steam. Very easy to make, very easy to prepare, and delicious. For those who don't have oven, this recipe is for you. Pakuluan po natin ito until lumambot siya. Ng mga 5 minutes. 2 cups ng pumpkin. I-measure natin siya before pakuluan. Tanggalan ng skin, tapos i-slice cubes, tapos measure ng 2 cups. Tapos pakuluan. Two cups all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 2 cups boiled pumpkin, boiled kalabasa. We have to mash it. 2 eggs, room temperature. 1/4 cup plain yogurt. 1/3 cup olive oil. You can use any kind of oil. 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. 3/4 cup brown sugar. Mix until sugar melted. This time we will add our dry ingredients. 2 tablespoons of milk, evaporated milk. You can use fresh milk. We will add pinch of salt. Then we will add raisins. It's optional. If you don't like raisins, then you don't need to put. 1/3 cup of raisins. If you don't have like this, then you can just use plate. Or you can just use anything to cover. We leave this for 30 minutes before steaming it. Okay, since it's been 30 minutes already and our mixture is ready, we have to start boiling our water. Here I will add 5 cups of water. Or 1/4 of your steamer. We have to boil it. Pakuluan po natin ang ating tubig muna bago i-prepare yung molder natin. I'm using 1/4 cup of measurement. You can use 1/3 cup of measurement. Same time of steaming, 15 minutes. We have to wrap the cover with clean cloth. This is really very important. Para po yung moist ng tubig di mapupunta sa cupcakes natin. Like that. We have to steam this for 15 minutes. Medium heat. Set the alarm. Nilagay ko sa number 4. Medium heat lang po. Hindi pwede sumobra yung pagkulo. Luto na po ang ating first batch. That's it. Super ganda. ating palalamigin while ready po natin ang ating pangalawang batch. Ito, bubrush natin ng oil. Slightly oil lang. Para hindi masyadong oily yung cupcake natin. Para po hindi masira yung cupcake natin mamaya pag tanggalin natin sa molder. Lipat na po natin dito sa kabilang plato. Mainit pa. Wow! Looks really nice. Super ganda po. Mainit. Super ganda. Alright! Yung second batch natin luto na din. That's it! Sobrang init pa. Palalamigin muna natin siya. Alright. Lipat na po natin. Medyo malamig siya ng konti. Nice. Very nice. Yes. Super ganda. Ito yung may cupcake paper. Ito po yung wala. Alright, luto na po lahat. It's verdict time. Malambot. Super lambot. Wow. Sarap. Sarap siya. Very yummy. Panalo. Winner. Tsaka busog. Sarap. Sarap pa rin sa kape at saka tea. Yung pumpkin talaga, pwede gulay, pwede pang pakbet. Masarap din pag sa ginataan, no? Masarap din sa cupcake. Yummy. Dalawa, mabubusog ka na. So, that's it. Please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para po updated kayo may bagong videos upload ako. Thanks for watching!